Hello everybody, this is Lars Fontin from whentotrade.com. I want to give you a short follow-up review of the Composite Cycles forecast for 2011. So we have year end now, so we can review the yearly forecast. I've showed you in another previous video how these cycles have been detected. What you see here on the left on the chart between 1st of July 2010 and March 16th, 2011 is the period which was taken for the cycle analysis period. So, and in this period of time where the market moved up this way, these four cycles shown here down below have been detected by the cycle scanner. I can just review this like this. If we just open it again. So the cycle scanner showed for these periods that there have been four major dominant cycles with a length of 36. The tenor cycle, I would skip it because the amplitude is too low and it's even more noise and not tradable. The short cycles here 67, 29 and 136. There's a lot of explanation and information about how the cycle have been detected and what the cycle scanner is about in the video just where I show the making of for this. So please review there for more information. What is done on the chart is that these detected cycles, which have completely been detected automatically by the cycle scanner, have now been put on the chart with their start dates and their cycle lengths here. So if we now switch to March 25th, where this analysis have been done, what we can do now is plot these cycles into the future for the rest or for the full year of 2011. So this is the forecast period with the data chosen for analysis here. So we would just go to the cycle plotter and plot these cycles just into the future. So now what you see on the chart, simply the cycles are plotted into the future, each cycle as an individual cycle. At least we don't see anything which might be of value here. So what is more interesting to put on a composite plot. So the composite plot just adds all these four cycles up into one composite cycle, which will be shown on the chart here. So now all cycles have been put into one composite cycle here, and this is the cyclic forecast we made just in March of 2011 for the rest of the year of 2011. So this should be the roadmap for our cycles for the market here. So we see that we are right in an upswing here, which is expected to come to an end in the beginning of April, then down into the beginning of May, up into mid-May, down into mid-June, up into end of July, down mid-August, up into the beginning of September, down into the beginning of October, up beginning of November, down mid-November, and the top here in the mid of December. So these are the expected market turns we would like to see in the market. So if the market follows the dominant cycles which have been active between July 1st and the 16th of March 2011, then what you see here should be the composite cycles roadmap, where prices should follow or should change their main direction now. So we can move on in time as we have end of the year now, and we can review what this cyclic forecast would have showed us. So I would go forward in time. You see prices moving up into this point in time here exactly, and now coming down as projected by the composite forecast. Not exactly on track, but now going up again here. Now the major turn down comes, market is moving down into mid of June exactly as projected. Now the next upswing should follow into mid of July. So we see now market is moving up in alignment with the composite plot. Now we are on the top of the wave. Market should now start to move down, which is exactly the case. We will see the market to stop moving down here, slight up move beginning of September where we are now, and now a down move into end of September, which we see here. And now we would like to see an up move into the beginning of November, which is exactly here, and now a downturn into the second half of November, which we see here, and now the next upturn into the beginning of December, which is exactly here, and now the next downturn should start into end of December. So this was exactly the follow-up forecast, just with real market data. So if we just plot these cycles, here would be the expected upturn, downturn. Here is the upturn, the next down, upswing, downswing, upswing, down. Here's the top, low, top, the low. So what you see here is exactly the turns which have been projected. Here's the top of the cycle. Here was the expected low, and the next top would be here exactly. Then the downturn exactly into this low, and the upturn to exactly this market top here, then the downswing here, and the upswing to this point in time here, and the next downswing here to the low, low. Now the next upswing till here, or more, it's better here, it's exact on track here. Here's the top. Here's the top of the cycle. Then the downturn here into second half of November here, just shown here. So, and then the upswing to beginning of December, and then the downturn here. So you see that this composite cycle forecast exactly predicted every major market turn in the year of 2011. So you can see that the market behavior in 2011 was built out of 4 dominant cycles for the complete year, and all these cycles have been detected in advance ahead of time with this real-time example I provided for free. So we can just see or review how trading the exact signals would have been played out. So I will just switch on the trading engine, that we see the trade results here for this chart. So what is going on now? This system is just trading since the March 16th, not before, because this is the forecast period. The system only trades in the forecast period, so on the out of sample data part. And it now trades exactly when the turn of the composite cycle comes. You see here is the expected sell signal, and exactly here is now the sell signal on the market. So it's exactly the same here. So we have a losing trade here. So here's the buy signal, and here's the next sell signal. So the system is just trading the swings of the composite cycle, where you see here is the exact low, where here's the buy signal, the blue one, and here's the next sell signal here. So I will just spin out these other lines here, so you can now see the trading signals more clearly. The blue ones are the buys, and the red ones are the sell signals here. So you can see nicely how is this top and this low and this top have been spotted really fast. So I did this forecast in the March of 2011, and I've put this into the public somewhere after this market top came in. So you see that just after this analysis was put into the public, you'll see if you have followed these signals, which I've showed you live in my free video, you would have seen that each major turn for the rest of the year have been shown by this composite cycle forecast. So now let's see how this trading played out. So here's the system report for these signals here. So you see here we have an accuracy of over 72% for these signals in the forecast period. We have a win-loss ratio of 3.4 and a profit factor of 9. We're only trading 1 contract per time, and you see that the long profit and short profit is well distributed over the complete time, and we have a total profit of 30,000 point for if you're trading the futures contract here, for example. So you can see that a forecast done in March with Composite Cycles, where we have an accuracy of over 70% for the complete forecasted period, and this was put into the public completely for free ahead of time in real time. I think I haven't seen any other forecast in the year of 2011 where someone showed such a forecast based on cycles, and even such a forecast was this highly on time and on the money right now with this one. So please review the making of video if you want to see how this all was done. And I hope you can see the power of my new cycles detection engine here is proven now again after the fact without any knowledge of price data. So this was all done before the fact, so no hindsight here. Please review it. Thanks for your attention.